India's most valuable company, Reliance Industries, has delivered a solid set of numbers for the quarter gone by. Yes, the street was factoring in strong earnings growth, but the behemoth not only passed that test, but it did so with flying colors by beating street expectations. Now, consolidated profit came in at 18,500 odd crores, up 36% QOQ. Revenue of 1.85 lakh indicates a 10.5% expansion QOQ. EBITDA in line with expectations at 29,700 odd crores. Margins came in at good 16.1% versus 15.5% QOQ. EBITDA performance was in fact up for fourth consecutive quarters. If you look at the numbers, almost all the segments were firing away. Segmental reporting, in fact, was quite heartening. Let's take a look at that. Oil to chemicals revenue came in at 1.31 lakh crores versus 1.2 lakh crores QOQ. Its EBIT came in at 11,600 odd crores. Oil to chemicals EBIT margin, though, was flat at 8.9%. Oil and gas, very strong performance there. Revenue came in at 2,559, up 56% QOQ. Oil and gas EBIT came in at 1,300 odd crores, up 2.5x QOQ. Retail and digital services have recorded highest ever revenues in EBITDA. In fact, for Jio, ARPUs during the quarter of 151.6 per subscriber per month shows a healthy 8.4% growth on YOY basis and 5.6% growth QOQ. ARPU improvement was mainly led by better subscriber mix and recent tariff hike. Now, full impact of tariff hike will be reflected in ARPUs and financials over the next few quarters according to the company, but the subscriber base total was at 421 million. Reliance retail revenue stood at 57,700 odd crores. EBITDA margin for retail came in at 6.6% versus 6.4% QOQ. Fashion and lifestyle business delivered highest ever quarterly revenues with 2x growth. Now let's move on and see what the management commentary was looking like. Chairman Mr. Mukesh Ambani said that Reliance has posted best ever quarterly performance in Q3 of FY22 with strong contribution from all the businesses. Both consumer businesses, retail and digital services have recorded highest ever revenues as well as EBITDA. During the quarter gone by, they continued to focus on strategic investment and partnerships across their businesses in order to drive future growth. Talking about retail business, they said activity has normalized with strong growth in key consumption baskets. Digital services business delivered a broad-based, sustainable and profitable growth through improved customer engagement as well as subscriber mix. The recovery in global oil and energy markets supported strong fuel margins and helped Reliance's O2C business deliver robust earnings this time around. In fact, oil and gas segment delivered solid growth in EBITDA with volume growth and improved realizations. RIL is also making very strong progress towards achieving their vision of net carbon zero by 2035, so they're completely on track with that. Now, the big question is if it will please the already elevated expectations of the street, the numbers that I'm talking about. Will there be more EPS upgrades on Monday? Well, we'll just have to wait and watch. But for now, what I'd like to just flag off is that it's been a very solid set. Best ever quarterly performance, like the management has also flagged off. Let's see how the stock reacts. All eyes on RIL.